Hey buddy boys, welcome back to some more Daily Rain Nonograms. It is we once again another late night Daily Rain Nonogram from me because it is currently 12:35 in the morning of April 16. But we are doing the April 15 puzzle for today. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's hope it's not too hard. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, 554. Check out this start though, not gonna lie. This start looks pretty juicy. I can't lie. This might take us a really long way. Yeah. So let's try and play this out. Excited to see where it takes us. Um, ooh, nothing here. 6, 5. I don't think that gets anything. Yeah, nope. Hmm. Does this reach? It does. Just barely. What else? I don't think we can get this. Yeah. What about 1, 11? 11? 4? Nope. 1, 3, 1, 13. Minus 9. 9, 12. Minus 8. Like that. 2, 1, 3, 11. 1. Minus 8. Like that. 3, 10, 3, nothing. 2, 2, 11, 4. It's minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 2, 13, 3. It's minus 10. So, like that. Great. Huh. Not really giving us much of any like scrap to work with, but I think we can perfectly make do. Huh. 6 minus 4. 3. Oh, that's a 5. And 16. 3, 4, 3, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yup. 4, nothing. 6, 5. It's 5 minus 3, 8, 9. 4, 4, 3, 5, 5, 5, 4. That's 9, yeah, extend that there. 6, 6, 6, then 4. Yeah, pretty good. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing here. It's 5. That's 3. This is for the 13. So that's 4. There's 11. 4 down here, minus 3. That's 3. Nothing. That's 3. Yeah, it's 3. Nothing here. 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2, 3. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing here. 5 or 6 rather. It's 3, 2, 3, 2. Very nice. Yep. 4, 5, 10. Yeah. This. I'm not sure. But this is a 3 for sure. So that's an 8. And can we extend this now? 9, 3 minus 8. Sure can. 1, 4. No. Where can we go? Let me think. Let me think. 2, 13 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not helpful. 1, 11. No. 8, 3. That's minus 4. 1, 7, 4. And then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that's 7. So nothing down here. 6, 1 fits. 1, 5. 5, 1. Yeah. What to do? What to do? 6, 9, like that. Nothing here. Oh wait, so 6, 1 does not fit anymore. So 6 over there, minus 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 9, 13, 3, 2, 3. Yeah, nothing here. 12, 9, minus 4. Yeah. 11. 5, 4. 6, 2, 6, 1. Okay. Okay, that's pretty nice, I think. What now? We limit this? Yeah, sure can. So nothing here. Nothing here, nothing here. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3. Nothing here. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, very nice, very nice. 5, 2, no. 2, 7, minus 4. This is a 7, a 1. Yeah. It's 9. Yeah. Nothing here. Can this reach? No, it can't. So 9, 3 at least is down here. So 9, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't help. What the hell? I wanna say that's the 6, definitely. Yeah, I wanna say because it is. It's 11. 4. 4, 4, like this. 4, 4. That's. I don't know what that is. Uh, this has to be 6, and then 7, and 4. Nice. 7, right? Yeah. 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. Good. 2, 2. Yeah. It's good to me. 4, 5, 4, 1. Nice. 5, 6, 7. It's done. Yep. 6, 6, 2, 1, 1, 3. 8. 5, 8, 2, 7. Yeah. 12, 10, 2. Yep. So that's a 1. So that's a 2, 2. Yeah. So nothing here. So extend this. It's a 9. Yeah. All makes sense. Nothing here. It's a 3, 9, 1, 2, 7, 1. It's 9. Yep. 4, 4. Nothing there. It's 13, 6, 2. Okay, very nice. That's 2, that's 4. And we can block this off. Oh wait, yeah, we can block all of that off. Here's a 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 1. Yep. 2. No. Oh wait, what am I doing? This is a 2. 7. Nothing here. And 9 minus 3. 1, 3, 3. Done. 2, 3, 5, 1. Nothing. 4, 1. 4, 1, 5, 3, 1. 3, 3, 1. Nothing. 3, 1, 1. 4. Yep. Yep. Or no. Not yet. But almost there. 6 minus 4. 2, 2. 7 minus 4. Yeah. Next one is 9 minus 2. This is done. So cut this. 2, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 6. Yep. That's a 3. 9, 4, 11, 5, 11. Nothing here. 4. Nothing. Done. What now? 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 4. 3. 2, 3, 7, Almost there. Done. This is done. 3. And the last one. Good. Hey, 1511. Is that PB? Is that PB? Hang on, let me check. Pause. That did not feel like PB. Was it seriously? Huh. Daily rate Nonograms. Let me check. Oh! Oh my god, it's PB by 7 seconds. Alright, new PB. Let's fucking go. Alright, GG. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. That was pretty nice. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. That did not feel like PB. Holy.